Just want to let everybody know we're getting our soil ready that's in our great big pots and containers that we use to go ahead and plant things in. Got a video online about that. But just give you an idea, now we're getting the little sticks and things that we had at the bottom to use for drainage because we have holes in here. But look at that. Worms, good soil. And the reason why we're going through all this and we're mixing this soil back up is to break it up so it doesn't hopefully solidify that much because of the constant watering and compaction from the weight of the rest of the soil. That's all. So what we'll do, we'll mix this up with some other soil that we have. Look at those worms. They're great. They got lots of food, a nice, moist, cool home. So we're gonna go through here and take out a lot of these sticks and put them on the bottom in pieces of wood. The reason being is because when these break down, they take nitrogen out of the soil. Henceforth, there's no fertilizer. Sure, there's other minerals and stuff in there, but you want to be careful of that. So we're just taking the big pieces out, putting them down there. Spread that out evenly, and also too, that takes up valuable space, so we save the valuable dirt. We don't need that much dirt, but we kind of fill ours up a little bit. So that's what we're doing here, getting soil ready for our tubs to grow herbs, tomatoes, or whatever else we want. And since they're small like this, we can take them and shift them around different places in the yard or what have you. See, now there's a big piece. It's breaking down very well, but I want that on the bottom. I don't want that mixed in with the soil. So there you have it, getting your soil ready this way. And that's good soil. Smells earthy, it's breaking down. And of course, we are going to put more fertilizer in here. It'll be good. Thank you very much for watching.